cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay, cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency, a message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Aren't you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy? I got the motherfucking recipe.
Hari ni kita nak ke Raub Pahang sama peserta-peserta konvoi Zon Selatan, Japan Zon Selatan. Difahamkan seramai 15 orang 15 orang dan 15 buah motor. Sekarang kita berada di Petronas iGrove. Okey. Dan destinasi kita seterusnya kita akan pergi bergerak ke Petronas Arena Seremban. Kita jumpa di sana. Alright. So let's go ke ni? Tak ada. Ini macam mana boleh bocor halus ni?
Ini dapat dah memang gini lah. Dapat dah memang gini.
Tu dia.
Pakai apa?
Pakai soket.
Ini gear dengan soket ni.
Gear dengan soket.
Okey.
Kat kedai kopi ada kan?
Kita bagi asin 3 kali.
So semua dah lapar, kita nak barbecue.
Video je.
bawa pergi majlis ni.
Say I'm good-hearted, but I'm just getting started. Got my eyes on the target. No, no. Till the battle's won, till kingdom come. To give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty.